Everyone, as I'm recording this right now, it's currently 12:30 in the evening. Solving quadratic equations using square root property and factoring. Today we will learn how that works. Now, there's kinds of quadratic equations. First are incomplete. Like I said, they are equations that doesn't have the complete general form or standard form. Now, you can see here there's no linear term here, that's why it's incomplete. Now as you can see ax squared bx and plus c is present. Even here you can identify this is the quadratic numerical coefficient or the quadratic term, this is the linear term. Well, this is the constant, that is the standard form. Quadratic is a quadratic term, the linear term, the constant. Four methods of solving the quadratic equation, but today we're going to focus on factoring and the square root property. Square root property is used when the linear term is missing. For example, x squared minus 64. To find the x, we must transpose and take the square root of x squared. Now, we just need to transpose them. It will become positive because it's transposed. Now, this is x squared equals 64. Just add square root. Just square root it. Then, you'll get your answer, which is positive negative 8. Example number 2. Same. But there's 5 in x squared, so you must divide it by 5 after transposing it. See? If you divide 5 and 1.5, it will become 25. Now we just need to take the square roots of them. Now it will become x is equals to positive negative 5. Now, why is there positive negative? It's because when taking square root, there are two values. It's used when either of these two forms are present, ax squared plus bx plus c and ax squared plus bx. For example, in example number 1, 2x minus 4x is equal to 0. Now, you can't find the x just by transposing it. You need to find their CMF. You need to factor them. Now, what's their factor? Find the CMF, which is 2x. How did I get 2x? By finding the GC of the coefficient, then finding the CMF of the variables. The GCF being 2 and the CMF being x. Now just divide them. 2x divided by 2x squared is x, then 4x divided by 2x is 2. Now apply zero property. That's how you apply zero property. Just make it so it equates to 0. Now all you need to do is isolate x to find x. I did this by dividing it by 2 and this by transposing it. It's the same for example 2, 5x squared plus 125x. What's their CMF? 5x, divide them by the CMF, and you get the answer in the open close parenthesis. Now apply zero property, then divide and transpose, then you'll have your answer. In example number 3, we have the standard form. Everything is present. Now we need to look in example number 3 to factor. We need to look factors of 3 that will equate to 4 when added. Now what is the factor of 3 that equates to 4? 3 and 1. Now just put 3 and 1 here. Why is the operation plus? Because of the first and second operation. It's plus because of the first and second operation. Now apply zero property, then transpose, then you'll have your answer. Negative 3 and negative 1.
Thank you for watching this short mathematical video. Hope this helps you in your question about quadratic equations. Thank you again for watching and listening. Goodbye.